Today I will make a shrimp soup with spinach. So here are the ingredients. So I have garlic, diced tomato, shrimp, a broth, water, and my seasoning, and of course the spinach. Cooking oil, and I add a little bit of butter, just adding a flavor. And they are melted now, so I'll add ginger and my onion, so the and wait for a bit until turn into golden brown in color. Now it smells good now. I'm ready to fry the tomato. And now let's add our shrimp. And let's fry them until cooked. Wow, it really smells good. Okay, and now let's add our water. This is like 500 ml of water. There you go. And add 100 ml of broth. Okay, let's wait them to get boiled. Okay, now it's boiling, so let's add our prepared seasoning here. There. And now I will add the spinach. So that's it and done. And here's the fried garlic. I'm adding a bit in the top. There you go.